let's learn how to add and tag someone on your WhatsApp status. So this is actually last feature that WhatsApp added, a new option. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want. So without any delay, let us open WhatsApp application. You will have to go to this update section, and on status section you will see the my status, and here click on this plus green button. This will open section where you take a photo. You can take any photo you want, and you will have to click on this tag button or character that's used for emails, and it will open your contacts list. So now you will have to tag someone. Just click on them and click on add, and as you can see it will appear that one contact is selected. This means you tagged some person. So that's it, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.